What's up, guys? How you doing? My name is Mike Atneal. I'm an animator for The Simpsons, and I'll be doing a quick tutorial on how to draw Homer Simpson from the Simpsons Handbook. All right, let's get started. So when I start my drawings of Homer, I always start with a circle. I feel like it's pretty universal for most characters. So I start with a really light one, and then I draw another one about in the same size right below it. So this would be the length of his head. Kind of want to connect these two with a C kind of curve. Not really curved, but more like, just slightly. Definitely don't want it straight. The next step is we're going to add a center line. This would be where his nose would be, the area between his eyes. This helps you also establish which way the character is looking. Let's add that center line as well. So we're going to start at the bottom of the first circle that we drew. We're going to draw in the first eyeball. Now we want the side to be touching this line. We're going to go ahead and add another one next to it. And it's going to sit right behind it. This also kind of helps with eye direction. So the character is looking the other way, that eye's going to sit behind that one. And you kind of automatically know that the head's going to be facing the other way. So right where these eyes are sitting is going to bisect the nose. Just make sure it's evenly spaced on both sides. We're going to drag this all the way to the end. Like so. Let's darken these up a little bit. I usually like to make him face straight ahead, but you guys can choose wherever eye direction you'd like. So the same line that we used to bisect the nose is going to be the top of the ear. And the width should stay the same as the nose. Little C shape there, little C shape there. And we got the ear. Next thing I want to do is give him that little brow. Just make sure you don't do it too big. Just an indication that it's there. I darken up the head a little bit. Gives us a chance to define it. All right, now we're going to take the center of the eye and extend it out this way. This lets you know how far the M's go. So one here, one there. And you never want the point of the M to sit on that line. Now for the mouth. We take this edge of the eye, bring down a straight line, and this will basically indicate where the edge of the mouth is. You don't want to go past it, and you don't want to go too far in, or else the mouth's going to look small. Kind of lightly bring it out from under the nose. Touch that line. Bring it back around. And we're going to do the same as this on this side. This can obviously come out of the face more. So the size of the top part of his muzzle would be about the size of an eyeball. If you kind of want to draw one in there, you know where it's going to divide. But right there. bring that down, add a bit of a lip. We're gonna add that lip on the bottom as well. The neck is obviously connected to the back of the head, so we take this line and extend it out. And again, we don't want a straight line. Now for the collar, what I like to do is I like to think of it as a pet bowl, like a doggy bowl or a cat bowl. We started off right under where the chin is. We can make a little center mark there following this, so we know where the fold begins. We got one over there, one over there. We bring it down again. We get that same little M shape there, here as well. Now we can darken in and connect. Now all we have left is the two hairs he has on top. For placement of these, just take the edges of the eye and they'll be the same exact shape as the top of his eye. There'll be one there and the other one will be right behind it. I'm gonna darken in all the lines that we did. There you go. That's how you draw Homer Simpson.